Algorand value sort of equivalent to $0.2313 a coin in an essentially large manner. Today's exchanged cost range, 0.2298 0.2339 in every way that really matters, significant way incredibly. The earlier day close, 0.2333. Which basically essentially is very huge. The change basically was 0.0020. 0.86% in a pretty really significant way. Converse rate, United States dollars to algo, which basically sort of is very critical. Algorand value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which generally is very huge. Algorand cost expectation on Monday, walk 6, cost $0.23, kind of most extreme 0.25, certainly least 0.21 in an exceptionally significant way. Algorand figure on Tuesday, walk 7, cost $0.22, truly most extreme 0.24, truly least 0.20 in an unobtrusive way. Algorand cost expectation on Wednesday, walk 8, cost $0.23, beautiful greatest 0.25, truly lovely least 0.21 in opposition to mainstream thinking, which is genuinely critical. Algorand figure on Thursday, walk 9, cost $0.22, genuinely greatest 0.24, by and large least 0.20, which generally is very critical amazingly. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, walk 10, cost $0.22, fundamentally most extreme 0.24, sort of essentially least 0.20, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. In multi-week Algorand figure on Monday, walk 13, cost $0.23, sort of most extreme 0.25, certainly least 0.21 in an essentially enormous way. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 14, cost $0.22, for the most part greatest 0.24, truly least 0.20 in every practical sense, significant way. Algorand gauge on Wednesday, walk 15, cost $0.21, all things considered, greatest 0.22, fundamentally least 0.20 in a quite huge way. Algorand cost forecast on Thursday, walk 16, cost $0.21, especially most extreme 0.22, by and large kind of least 0.20, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand gauge on Friday, walk 17, cost $0.20, certainly greatest 0.21, for the most part least 0.19, in a reasonably kind of significant manner. In about 14 days Algorand cost expectation on Monday, walk 20, cost $0.19, kind of fundamentally greatest 0.20, actually really least 0.18 amazingly. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, walk 21, cost $0.20, kind of greatest 0.21, by and large least 0.19, which especially is very critical. Algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 22, cost $0.20, certainly greatest 0.21, especially least 0.19, or so they explicitly thought, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Algorand gauge on Thursday, walk 23, cost $0.20, certainly greatest 0.21, certainly least 0.19, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algorand cost expectation on Friday, walk 24, cost $0.21, all things considered, most extreme 0.22, exceptionally least 0.20 in an unpretentious way. In 3 weeks Algorand conjecture on Monday, walk 27, cost $0.20, especially greatest 0.21 in every practical sense, kind of least 0.19. Algorand cost expectation on Tuesday, walk 28, cost $0.22, beautiful sort of most extreme 0.24, truly least 0.20, which certainly is genuinely huge. Algorand figure on Wednesday, walk 29, cost $0.23, exceptionally sort of most extreme 0.25, really least 0.21, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand cost expectation on Thursday, walk 30, cost $0.23, greatest 0.25, extremely least 0.21, most certainly truly, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand conjecture on Friday, walk 31, cost $0.22, for the most part greatest 0.24, lovely least 0.20, or so they in every way that really matters, thought, which is genuinely huge. In about a month, algorand cost expectation on Monday, April 3. Cost $0.22 in every way that really matters, greatest 0.24, especially least 0.20 in every practical sense, significant way. Algorand conjecture on Tuesday, April 4. Cost $0.22, most certainly truly greatest 0.24, fundamentally least 0.20, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. United States dollars to algo conversion standard kind of equivalent to 4.3234 coins per $1, which really is very critical. Today's reach, 4.27534.3516. The past day's nearby, 4.2863, which basically certainly is very huge, or so they thought. Change for now plus 0.0371, plus 0.87% in a very truly significant way in an unpretentious manner. United States dollars to algo cost gauge 4. In the not-so-distant future and month in a truly significant manner. Dollar to algorand conjecture on Monday, walk 6, cost 4.348 coins, genuinely most extreme 4.762, beautiful least 4.000, showing how algorand cost forecast on Wednesday, walk 8, cost $0.23, exceptionally greatest 0.25, sort of least 0.21 in an unobtrusive way, which is genuinely huge. United States dollars to algo expectation on Tuesday, walk 7, cost 4.545 coins in every practical sense, greatest 5.000, really least 4.167, or so they fundamentally thought. Dollar to algorand figure on Wednesday, walk 8, cost 4.348 coins, greatest 4.762. Beautiful least 4.000. United States dollars to algo forecast on Thursday, walk 9, cost 4.545 coins, beautiful greatest 5.000, genuinely least 4.167, actually really as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dollar to algorand gauge on Friday, walk 10, cost 4.545 coins, genuinely beautiful greatest 5.000, sort of least 4.167. Which fundamentally is very huge in spite of prevalent thinking. In multi-week United States dollars to algo expectation on Monday, walk 13, cost 4.348 coins in every way that really matters, by and large greatest 4.762, fundamentally least 4.000 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to algorand figure on Tuesday, walk 14, cost 4.545 coins in every practical sense, most extreme 5.000, truly least 4.167, showing how algorand conjecture on Friday, walk 17, cost $0.20, truly greatest 0.21, especially least 0.19, which is genuinely huge. United States dollars to algo forecast on Wednesday, walk 15, cost 4.762 coins, especially greatest 5.000,